Right, rule of X, this is another metric that helps to provide some guidance on how a company will be valued in the public markets. For those of you that haven't come across rule of X before, it's similar to rule of 40, right? We take free cash flow margin and ARR growth rates and we combine the two. It's just that in rule of X, the growth rate gets a 2x multiplier, right? So in the same situation that we used before, if you had free cash flow margin of 13% and a growth rate of 26, right? Your rule of X would be 26 times 2, which gives you 52, plus 13, right? Which gives you 65, right? So you'd have a rule of X of 65 and a rule of 40 of 39 in that situation. So let's take a look at the rule of X chart and see how they've stacked up. Right, this chart obviously takes pretty similar shape to rule of 40, but we see the differences kind of like amplified. So the outperformance by the control group early on is magnified, and then the outperformance by Palantir over the last kind of year and a half, 2 years is amplified as well. Now, keep in mind here, Palantir achieved a rule of X score of 127 in Q4 of 24. Now, Bessemer Venture Partners, the people who invented this rule of X metric, say that a score of 70 is outstanding, right? So that just puts in context the performance that Palantir's been able to generate in the last little bit.